Hey, what's up guys? Part 2 of the Canopy build. I got my lights from Amazon. They're right here. We're gonna open them up and make sure they work and test them and everything. And I'll actually put them on the tank right now just to see how much light they give. And assuming everything's fine with those lights, then we're gonna go paint the canopy and let that dry and whatnot. And then once the canopy's dry, then we'll install the lights and the hinges. Okay, here are the lights from Night Crew. I don't know if I've used these before. I've used a lot of beams work. The light that's on my aquarium right now, I don't know if that's a Night Crew. I don't even remember. But, well, it looks like I need a knife. All right, looks like we got our feet, I guess you would call them. They're metal, that's pretty nice. We got power supply that plugs in, looks pretty simple. And there is the light itself. Protective film. Doesn't look like it's damaged at all. Let's plug this in and see if it works. Okay, I got an extension cord here from my garage. I got the power supply hooked up. I will tell you right now, this cord's not very long. Definitely not liking that, but I guess I can always run an extension cord. All right, we're gonna plug it in. It is now plugged in. Woo! Holy crap. We got night mode, day mode. That's pretty freaking bright. That's blinding me, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, that seems pretty bright. I'm gonna go unbox that one and make sure that one works also. Okay, we got the other one plugged in right now. Let's test that. Oh, that one works. Daytime, nighttime. We'll do one more plug in here. Make sure this other one still works. Okay, they both work. I'm gonna go put these on my tank right now, existing, and just see how much light it gives off. Okay, freaking awesome. The lights are on the tank. As you can see, they look pretty cool. It's got some pretty good light. In person, it's not actually as bright as it looks in the video, but it's still bright enough, and the lights are only gonna be up a few more inches, so that'll work great. So now, I'm actually just gonna leave them on the tank for now for Floki, and now it's time to go paint the canopy. everybody, the canopy is done. I'll do a little close-up here. I didn't show me pounding out those brackets. I just used a hammer in the corner, the side of my workbench. I used the grinder to cut them, and I probably could have just bought brackets, but I don't know if I could have got the exact size. This way I was able to customize them. These are firmly in there. And I just happen to have 2 of these. I don't even know what they are, but it helps hold the wires. Sorry. It helps hold the switch for the LED lights. But, so you can kind of see the very first thing was the frame on the inside that goes on the tank. You don't even see that when this is on there. And then you put this thin stuff. A lot of people would say that's too thin. I like it thin. It's not gonna matter at all. Yeah, let's flip this over and look at the top. Okay, there's the top. Got these hinges screwed on. I really like these hinges, got them at Home Depot. However, 2 of the screws were bad. So as you can see, that one's different. I had to use one for there and one for there, but it works. Taking off a little bit of paint there because it's not 100% dry. I'm actually gonna take this back in the house and leave the door open like diagonally like that so it doesn't, paint doesn't stick. But yeah, it's more enough room. Drop some food in for Floki, and the lights are right under there. That's gonna look pretty cool. It's gonna be a lot darker in the living room once this is on the tank. Okay, so now I have to do a water change on the tank. I'll drain half the water so it's light enough to move, and I gotta move the tank out a little bit to take off the light that's currently on there. And then this can go on and it's ready to go.